That 3D printer might have actually just gone and done it. There's before, after. How strong a 3D print will be, I don't know, but there's plenty of space around that where this could just effectively be a square block with a couple of holes in it. But for a bit of reverse engineering exercise, I'm quite happy about that, and let's see if it will line up. Hello, my name's Flappy McFlap, and I've been fixed. That's fucking superb. Sure will be interesting to see what that material is like, because it's just the cheapest PLA going. You can get ABS and all that